costumes, but you know what I think they'd like?
What's that, assistant?
Fall-themed treats.
Oh yeah, you've got your playhouse all set up for fall, don't you?
Yeah.
So let's see. Show me your decorations that you have there.
Okay, can I let the dogs down?
Oh yeah. So wait, Wiggles, what are you dressed as?
He's a dragon this year.
Oh, you've got a gold dragon costume, right?
Waggles is a chicken.
And then Waggles, are you a chicken?
He's avoiding eye contact.
Are you a chicken? And you got all your Halloween stuff out? All right.
Yeah. So I have Halloween stuff. I have a cat. There's a cat in here. Because the dogs aren't freaking out.
Yeah, Wiggles likes to chase cats, doesn't he?
And then I have an extra Halloween costume for either Wiggles or Waggles.
You do? Oh yeah, it says
Boo.
Boo. So you're gonna make special dog treats for him, right?
Right, let's go outside the playhouse.
Yeah, let's go outside. All right, everybody, let's march out. March in 1, 2, 3.
Wiggles and Waggles.
Come on, guys.
Come on. Yay.
So you got your little shed, your little house.
Yeah.
And now we've got to go and you're gonna make some Halloween treats.
Treats.
Or fall treats. Let's go. Wiggles.
Wiggles.
Come on, Wiggs, we're gonna go make treats. You're a dragon. Come on. You gonna breathe fire? Can you breathe some fire?
Wiggles, let's make treats.
Breathe some fire. Oh yeah, that's some good fire.
Oh, Wiggles, wow, you're really good at that.
All right, oh there he goes. All right, let's go make some dog treats.
Yeah. So we're gonna make Wiggles and Waggles some fall-inspired treats.
Hey, assistant, what's your favorite fall treat?
Pumpkin bread.
That's right, we love pumpkin bread, don't we?
Or frozen apple cider, like a slushie.
Oh, we used to have those at the corn maze, didn't we?
Yeah.
All the time.
Those were good.
All right, so what treats are we gonna make Wiggles and Waggles for fall?
So we can make pumpkin.
So you've got pumpkin right there, okay?
We have pumpkin, we have turkey.
Turkey, and that's just out of baby food, right?
Right, and we have ham. And the one we're making right now is sweet potato.
Okay, then we're gonna figure out which one they like the most, right?
Right. So, first thing you do is you do 1 cup of flour into the bowl. So, this is 1/4 a cup, so we need to do 4 of these.
Okay. 4 1/4 makes 4. So 4 times 1/4 equals 4/4, which is
2.
Was that 2 or is that 3?
That's 2.
That was 2.
3. Last one. 4.
Now, sister, is there anything you need to do to get ready to make it?
Oh yeah, I need to preheat the oven.
Preheat the oven to what?
350 degrees.
350 degrees. That's right. Okay. Good. Good.
Okay, so now that the flour's in the bowl, we get our sweet potato baby food. We open it up.
Okay.
Doesn't that just look delicious?
I mean, if you're a baby or maybe a dog.
Okay, I'm gonna get the.
Now, are all of these okay for dogs to eat? That's a very important question,
Yes.
right?
They are. So now I'm just gonna pour it in.
So you might want to check with your dog first before you give them like a bunch of these treats. Well, let them try it to make sure it doesn't hurt their belly, right?
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
Wait a minute.
Waggles
Waggles is in his costume. He's in his costume. He smells it. He's ready for the treats.
As he walked over here, he sneezed on me. So
Well, luckily he didn't sneeze into his treats.
those fall allergies.
Yep. All right.
Okay. So we put it all in. Now I'm gonna mix it up.
All right. So mix in.
Doesn't that just smell great?
I love sweet potatoes. People at home, which one do you think you would like the best? Sweet potatoes, pumpkin, ham, or turkey?
I probably like pumpkin.
You know, we should have made apple ones too. That'd be kind of good.
Apple? Wouldn't you just like add applesauce?
Probably do. We pre-check to make sure that each of these ingredients is okay for dogs to eat first, right?
Right. Okay, so now you mix it up.
Mix it really well, assistant.
I am. Here we go. There's a lot of flour, so you have to mix it up really good.
Okay. Okay, we stopped for a second now. Let's see how it looks.
Look, it's very mixed together.
You add a little bit of water to it, right?
Yeah, because it was a little dry with all the flour.
Okay.
Okay, so now we take it out, roll it into a ball.
Okay.
With your hands. And then we're going to place some flour on the parchment paper.
Okay.
So,
a little flour.
Mix.
Now, is that a special kind of flour?
It's whole wheat flour.
It's whole wheat flour, right? We're not using white flour.
Right. Okay, there we go.
Which is better for the dogs.
Okay, so now I'm going to get a rolling pin.
Okay, you're going to roll it, roll it, roll it. Get those dog treats rolling.
Okay. Roll it out.
Okay.
And if it sticks, you have to stop.
Do you have a special type of rolling pin?
No.
You're right, you don't.
Can't make it too thin though, so this is probably good.
Okay.
So now that it's all rolled out,
You have the special container of what?
molds. So in the mold, we have a Waggles dog bone,
Okay.
a Wiggles dog bone,
Okay.
a smiley face for like a, I don't know, like a jack-o'-lantern.
Oh yeah, so you can make like a pumpkin, right?
Here's an actual pumpkin.
See like a pumpkin like that?
Another smile. We have several different kinds of smiles.
So there's a pumpkin smile.
And then we have several different kinds of eyes.
Oh, right. So show me how let's make a couple of them out.
Okay, so which one should we do first?
Let's do the pumpkin. You want to do the pumpkin?
This pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Ready? Put it down. Now lift it up. Oh. There
And
we
then you put it on the pan, right?
Right.
And let's do a Waggles one next. A Wiggles and then a Waggles.
Wiggles first.
It don't matter. Okay.
There we go. Now we push it out. Very carefully.
Good thing you got all that practice with Play-Doh. See, it says Wiggles. All right.
Then here's a Waggles one.
Okay. And then we're going to put it in the oven and see which ones they like the best, right?
Right.
Which one do you think they'll like the best?
Which flavor?
Yeah.
Probably turkey or ham.
There are definitely dogs that like turkey and ham.
Yeah.
Who do you think will be most excited for him?
Waggles.
Waggles. He is a...
treat-loving dog.
Yeah. He likes treats like some people like chocolate.
Yeah.
More, even. Even more.
It's kind of stuck, but it's okay. There we go.
Alright, so there's the Waggles. There's the Wiggles. You're going to finish them up and put them in the oven, right? 350 for how long?
For 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Alright, so we're not going to show you going them in the oven, and that's pretty easy, but we're going to show you the final products, right?
Right.
Let's go.
Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Let's take them out of the oven.
Okay, sister. Yeah. Ooh, be careful, they're hot, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
now we gotta let them cool.
Ooh, look how good they look.
Yeah.
So this is Wiggles. Wait a minute. Wiggles and Waggles. So what kind were these again?
These were the sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes. So we got sweet potatoes, ham, turkey, and...
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Let's see which ones they like the best, okay?
Okay, but that's cool.
Got them cool. Okay, so the assistants got all the treats and the dogs in the playhouse. Let's check and see which one we like the best.
Come in.
Okay, assistant, so you got all the treats, right?
Right, all of them are right here.
All right, so why don't you bring them out?
I'll bring them out one at a time.
All right, Wiggles, Waggles, you want the treat?
Come out, guys, come on.
Come on. So here's
Wiggles.
our first treat. All right, so I'm gonna sit down.
Bowls.
And we're gonna try to see. Wait, Wiggles, you gotta go over there. I don't have the treat.
Wiggles, Waggles, you want to try a treat? Okay.
All right, so let's see the treat first. Let's get them together.
This is a Waggles treat. Wiggles, come over here.
It says Waggles on it, right? Right there. It says
Right.
Waggles. All right, let's put them together. Wiggles is definitely interested in it.
Waggles, you get this treat.
You gotta break it in half, assistant.
Oh, okay.
And see if they like. Oh.
Well, he bit it in half, so Wiggles can get the other half.
So let's see. Waggles likes it, right? Waggles, do you like it?
It's very chewy for them.
So this is treat number 1.
Wiggles is having a hard time eating it.
So Wiggles ate it. Oh, look, is Waggles going in for seconds?
Do you want another one, Waggles?
Wait a minute.
This is a smaller one.
Okay, let's see. So we can't see him. All right, so Waggles, do you like it?
Oh!
So he likes it.
Wiggles, do you like it?
Let's see.
Oh, he goes straight in for it.
All right, so okay, so that treat I think is definitely a double winner, right?
Do we reveal which one it is?
All right, so let's hold it up. Ready?
Ready? It is
Do the reveal.
pumpkin.
Pumpkin! Pumpkin is a winner.
Pumpkin is a winner.
All right, so we've got pumpkins. Oh, look, they're both.
Okay,
they're
time
both,
to get the next one.
They're both going for that one. All right, so so here's number 2.
Yep.
All right, so here is the next one.
Okay.
All right, so here is
Whoa,
the
whoa, Wiggles, Wiggles, whoa!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! They're real excited.
They
for
want this one really bad. Okay, we'll give them the Wiggles treat
All right,
this
so it
time.
says, let's see. It says Wiggles on it.
Okay, I'm gonna break it in half this time. No,
Hand me the treats, assistant.
okay, which one do you want, Wiggles? This one.
All right, so
Waggles gets this one. Oh, don't walk away with it.
Waggles, when he likes treats, runs away, doesn't he?
Yeah, so does Wiggles sometimes.
Oh, so Wiggles is really.
Wiggles is already done. Waggles hasn't finished his yet.
Waggles. You put it back down on the ground.
That's very unlike Waggles. I think this one's definitely not a winner.
It's not.
Wiggles. Wiggles is going
Wiggles
for more.
likes it a
Wiggles
lot.
likes this one. Waggles, not so much.
Let's see. Waggles, do you want it? See if you,
He's trying to finish it off, but
see if you could take it from me.
that's kind of gross.
Well, I know, but that will tell us if he really likes it or not.
He's already ate it. He already ate it.
All right, so they ate it.
I
Wiggles,
think that was a half fail. Half fail, half fail.
I think it's definitely a plus for Wiggles. Let's get another one and see if they eat it.
Okay, wait, should we reveal what it was?
Yeah, but let's see if they eat it again.
Oh, they'll eat it again.
Yeah, let's hold it back up, and then we'll reveal what it was. All right.
Is Waggles still trying to eat it?
I think so. Oh yeah, Waggles. Waggles, you still trying to eat it?
Wiggles likes it.
Wiggle.
Get it,
See if you'll catch it.
It's like balance.
All right, we'll see if Waggles will catch it. Waggles, you want to catch it?
Waggles, treat.
Waggles?
I'm so confused what's happening.
I think it's too chewy for him. Okay, let's see if he'll catch it. All right, ready? There it is.
Oh.
You missed it. All
Well,
right.
he definitely tried to go for it.
All right, so I would say that they liked it.
Wiggles definitely likes it.
I think Wiggles liked it more. What do you think?
Yeah, and it was sweet potato. This is the one we made in the kitchen.
That's the one we made. Okay, so sweet potato. I think for Wiggles, he liked it more.
Half of the success.
Waggles, I don't know if he liked it quite as much. Oh, look at the big smile on Wiggles' face. Wiggles. They really like doing these taste test videos.
Okay, now we're gonna give him.
So we're gonna give him a little smaller piece. All right, so let's see. Waggles, you wanna try it first? Oh, he's looking for the sweet potato. Waggles, look above you. Look right
Wiggles is it. Let's see who gets it first. Oh, Wiggles got it first.
there. Oh, he likes it. Waggles? Waggles, what do you think?
You got it.
Oh, Wiggles wants another one.
Wiggles, you want another one? Good boy. Waggles, you want another one? Let's see if he'll catch it. He got it.
I think that's a pretty big win.
They like this one because it's ham.
Ham? Yeah, they definitely like ham, don't they?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, time for the last one.
And then we're gonna line all 4 up and see which ones they get. All right, so here we go. Our final, well, I guess you guys know what the final one is, right?
The final one is turkey.
That's right. So this is turkey.
Oh, they're excited for this.
Let's move them around because we can't really see their faces on the camera. Let's break that in half because that's a big treat for little dogs. So let's turn them around so that they can see it. The people at home can see.
Turn around.
Wiggles doesn't
Look at the
always
camera, guys. Okay, ready? Wiggles gets this piece. Waggles gets this piece. Oh, they're eating it really fast.
So these are just made from turkey.
Wait, did Wiggles spit it out? Ooh, Wiggles is having a hard time eating it. Oh, he's done.
All right, so let's drop a little piece and see if they catch it.
Okay.
So I think they like it, but I don't know if they like it more than the ham.
Wiggles, ready? Oh.
Wiggles catching's not his strength.
Waggles.
Oh, good catch.
Good catch, Waggles. And
All
that
right.
one was turkey.
All right, so now over here on the floor.
Let's get a
the
little
panels,
piece of each one.
Yeah, and we'll see which ones they get.
Okay.
So we'll hold them and we'll see which each one is.
Okay.
So we gotta see. Okay, you put them down.
I'll tell you which one each one is.
Okay.
So this is turkey.
That's turkey right there.
Yeah. And then this next one's ham.
Ham. So people home, you see them right there? So we have turkey and then they ham. Those are like little
Sweet potato.
sweet potato. Oh, you need to put them a little further apart because
Okay, I will.
Waggles will
And then
just instantly eat both of them.
Pumpkin. Okay, I'll put this right
So
at the
pumpkin,
end.
sweet potato. Okay, ready?
No. Okay, now we're ready.
All right, ready? Look, we got the dogs and release.
Go!
Waggles are over.
Oh, Wiggles went for the pumpkin.
Wiggles went for the pumpkin. Waggles, they're over here. Waggles isn't smart enough to figure out where they're at.
Oh, Waggles chose. What was that one? No, it was turkey.
Waggles chose
No, that was ham actually.
Ham? Oh, no.
And he's going for turkey. Oh, and then Wiggles went for sweet potato.
Oh, what? You know
They're
what?
all gone.
Honestly, I think they liked them all almost equal.
Yeah.
And Waggles is lined up to get another one.
Waggles, you want another one?
Last treat for Waggles. Good job.
He got it.
All right. Sissa, which one was your favorite you think to make?
I like turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah.
That was a pretty fun one, right?
Right.
People home, what do you think? Which treat do you think your dog would like? I think we'll have comments available on this video, so just leave a comment, right? Because this is
let us know.
Yeah, because this video is actually for kids over, 13, 14, 15, and their parents, right? So
Right.
I think we have comments on this one. This isn't necessarily a kid video. All right, so it says what they should make sure they like and subscribe, right?
Right, and also follow us on.
Make sure you follow us on YouTube, right?
Right.
And all of our other social medias. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.